I'm back. Let me just go and get a glass of water. Hello. So that was a lot of fun. Poland is amazing, and bachelor parties, well, they're the stuff that dreams are made of. What kind of dreams, I'm not sure, but they are a lot of good fun. Thank you very much for watching these daily vlogs. If you like what you see, let us know in the comment section below, and please hit subscribe. Also, thank you very, very much to all of the Polish people, the very kind Polish people who slid into the DMs to let us know about wonderful vegan restaurants in Gdansk. Unfortunately, I didn't go to any because the rest of the guys on the bachelor party, well, they weren't vegan, so I just kind of had to eat salad and chips every single meal. But that's alright, it's fine. But what it does mean is that I'm extremely hungry right now. So I'm going to eat something delicious. I'm gonna make vegan scrambled eggs. Right, give me a minute. Sorted. Vegan scrambled eggs for the win. We use turmeric for colour. We use kalanamak, which is black salt, for really nice eggy flavour. And with this recipe, we've used silken tofu, and it's packed full of protein. Absolutely delicious. In fact, we learned about using black salt for egginess from a guy who runs a wonderful cafe called The Fields Beneath. Now, we went there about a year ago and we filmed the video, but we never put it out. So what we're gonna do is show you right now.
Today we are hunting for the perfect scrambled eggs. I'm cycling along with Andy from The Fields Beneath, and Ian is in this box beneath me.
You find us here in Los Angeles, California, and today we are on the hunt for vegan scrambled egg. We're here at Sage, and I have to say that this is probably the best vegan breakfast I've had in the United States. Well done, Sage, this is absolutely delicious.
These guys have used follow your heart eggs, scrambled them, and then coloured them. We don't want to do that. You may not have follow your heart eggs. So we're gonna make a scrambled eggs that's got tofu. We might even try one with polenta, but the vital ingredient is definitely gonna be some turmeric to get this kind of yellow colour. Oh, dribble in there. After trying those eggs at Sage in LA, we had to see what London had to offer. So that's why we've come here, Camden, to The Fields Beneath, with Gavin and Andy. Try some vegan eggs. Do we have to?
Yeah, my vegan eggs are the one.
Can they live up to the eggs we had in LA?
To your egg expectations.
It's gonna be an extravaganza. Hello. This is Gavin of The Fields Beneath in this wonderful but modest place that ditched all dairy. So it's now vegan milk, soy milk, plant milk, almond milk, and all these croissants are good as well. Before we go and watch Andy cook, we're gonna sample the wares. So right here, I've got a monstrosity of a burger. Gorgeous potato hash, we've got spinach in there, we've got a tofu steak or tofu patty, depending on what you wanna call it. Mushroom bacon, fresh tomatoes, pesto, and all inside an English muffin. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a breakfast to die for. Let's see how it tastes. I'm not sure I can fit this all in my mouth, but I'll give it a try. It's all over my legs and my face. But I think that's a good sign. Wow, the egg really comes through. It's basically everything you want in a breakfast muffin. This would work best on a hangover, I think. You know, when you really just need to get some proper food inside you. Okay, so Andy has just challenged us that we can get in this box. One of us can ride in his bicycle box.
And the other one can sit on top of the box.
1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and yes, you're going in the box. Ian's going in the box.
Indeed. Can I get in? That is the problem. I'm not very flexible, guys. Right, here we go.
Are you getting on top?
Yeah. This is me through and through.
On the move.
This is the high point. This is amazing.
We are at the secret headquarters of the wonderful fields beneath, and we are about to get a masterclass on how to make wonderful vegan scrambled egg. So talk us through the process, man. What you got here?
So these are our ingredients for our tofu egg that we use in our brekkie muffin. So in here we have nutritional yeast, the main ingredient which is the secret black salt, which gives it the egginess, the sulfur salt.
Yep.
And we've got some turmeric, some black pepper and a half cup of soy milk. And we just blend them up together, mix it into a nice really thin batter. And that becomes our base that we marinate the tofu in for like about 2 days. And then that'll absorb all the flavour before you fry it off. Alright, so we're going to make the tofu steak.
Wicked.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the tofu into equal slabs, so about 1 centimetre thick.
Nice.
So we lay it on a couple of layers of blue roll. Once that's done, then we can start making the mix. So basically we've got the nutritional yeast going in, turmeric. This is as soon as we add this and we add the moisture, you'll be able to smell straight away why it's called pot salt. Then we've got black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper. We've got half a cup of soy milk here just to blend it all together.
Wicked.
That just get whisked together until all of the salt and the nutritional yeast is blended, and then afterwards you just take your pre-cut tofu that you've drained, and it's just a case of tossing it, moving it around, you do a couple at a time.
So they're going to be super punchy.
Yeah, and then whatever leftover you have, that just can get drizzled on, you know.
Here he goes, look at that, eh? It's like a korma.
Okay, so that's the tofu egg made out of the nutritional yeast, the black salt, turmeric, soy milk, and the black pepper. And once that's done, you leave it to sit in the fridge overnight, ideally for a minimum of 8 hours. And then when that's done, you'll be left with something that looks like this. And then you'll see how it completely gets absorbed by the tofu. So all the liquidness has completely gone inside. So it'll really enhance all the flavour, you know, that'll really just embellish everything. Okay, so once your tofu egg is done and it's all marinated and everything's been absorbed, it's just a case of frying it off to get it nice and crispy and brown in a little bit of coconut oil.
So that was a lot of fun. I can't believe that was over a year ago now, man. Anyway, now we're going to show you exactly how to make that wonderful scrambled egg. Here is the recipe video. So there you have it. If you're vegan, you can still have wonderful scrambled eggs, just without the eggs. Anyway, listen, if you like that video, which we hope you do, subscribe to the channel because there's loads more videos coming like that very, very, very soon. And also, there is something very special coming that features that very recipe. So, watch this space. Henry's not here right now, but I am. So, bish, bash, bosh!